Now we are doing this on washed and blow dried hair. Just gonna go ahead and give a little bit of jojoba oil to the scalp. Gonna rub that in. And you can do this before or after the braid. The choice is totally up to you. And then we are going to start braiding this part, this section. Doing with the rest is we're literally going to just be parting and braiding and parting and braiding. Portion of this hairstyle. I'm just gonna oil up the scalp wherever I didn't already. Take this and put this into a ponytail right now, and I'll even bun it real quick. Today for the ponytail, we're gonna be using the Ghana twist. That is this right here. Just give me one piece. We're gonna take it and make sure that it's in the center of it, and we're just going to have the latch open. Put your head forward, please. We're gonna push this into the braid. Hook that to the end, right where the center is. Latch that hook and pull it through. With the end, we'll do this. Oh, actually, because this is this size, we don't need to with this size here. It's already ready to go. All right, so that's our first piece. We're gonna go on for the next piece. Again, the latch is open. Push that in. Grab this hair up the center. Latch it, pull it through. You can either use this method to pull it through, or you can just manually pull it through the loop. And then you wanna tighten. Come here, push that through. Latch it, pull it through, and tighten. I think I'm gonna let a piece or two stay out so that I can wrap it around. Then I'm gonna put this in a ponytail, and then I'm just gonna take this and wrap it around and pin that down. Just gonna pin that back here. Then we're gonna let the rest just hang out. For the hair that's braided, I'm just going to pin that down. Now I'm just gonna take a few of these beads and I'm going to accent the hairstyle with these. So these little gold beads here, I'm just gonna open them up. You just pull it open, put it where you want it, and squeeze it shut. All right, so there's one. All right, and we are now done with this style.